Hey guys, this is Abhishek and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a quick look at the Redmi Note 8 and you're watching Gizmo Ground. So guys, here's the box itself, and as you can see it's a pretty clean and small package, and along the back you can see you've got the branding, the quad camera, 48 megapixel AI camera, quad camera setup, 18 watt fast charging. It's got a Snapdragon 665 and then Corning Gorilla Glass 5 back and front. We've also got micro SD slots, dedicated ones, and dual SIM slots. So in front of the box you see this image of a phone. It's a Moonlight 1, so let's just go ahead and unbox it.
Two hours later.
So let's get it out of the box. Okay, first things first, we've got this small package over here. Let's see what's inside. Okay, you've got your SIM ejector tool, and then you've got your cover, some small warranty information inside. The plastic that the cover comes in is kind of papery, so that's a good thing. So here's the clear back case or cover. Let's put that aside. Next, what we have in the box is the phone itself. Let's just take it out and keep that aside for the time being. And look at the fast charger that they have included in the box. It's the 18 watt fast charger. Next, we also have the Type-C USB cable. Cable quality seems to be really nice. Do we have anything else in the box? I think not. Let's go ahead into the phone. So here's the phone itself. As you can see, comes in a plastic package. It's the Moonlight White variant and looks really good. It's a bit thick, but I don't mind. Let's get the stickers off the back. So yeah, as you can see, feels really premium in hand. Okay, I know you all wait for this, so here we go. So it's really shiny. Let's power this on while I give you an overview. Does it have any juice? Yeah, it does. 5 breaths. As you can see, here's the speaker grill and here's the Type-C port. It also has a headphone jack. That's a good thing to see in 2019. Got a fingerprint scanner in the back. It's got a IR blaster, I believe, and also a mic up top. What seems like it. We've got the volume rocker to the side. Really tactile. Also, you've got the power button. So yeah, let me quickly set up this phone and give you a brief overview. So guys, we're done setting up the device. Let's take a quick look at it. So here's the main launcher. As you can see, I opted for the stock launcher, the not Nova launcher that I have been using. And apart from that, you've got MIUI 10 out of the box. As you can see, it's still downloading apps. And yeah, that's about it. The camera interface is pretty neat. It's very simplistic, a lot like Google. I'm yet to test out the camera and everything, but I'll take 2 quick photos just to see if it works well. Yeah, it was lag free definitely. Seems to be nice. Yeah, definitely pretty nice camera. I'll be installing the Gcam mod for this, and that should make this phone even better, the camera that is. Anyhow guys, that's been a quick overview and unboxing for this phone. If you like it, let me know in the comment section down below. If you want to see a full review of this phone, let me know down in the comment section. And yeah, thanks for watching.